Ever wondered how to survive a long-haul flight comfortably? Tip number 1 is all about dressing strategically. Now, you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, it's simpler than you might think. It's all about choosing loose, comfortable clothing that lets your body breathe. Nobody wants to sit for hours on end in tight, suffocating outfits. Your body will thank you for that extra bit of wiggle room. And then we have the art of layering. You see, cabin temperatures can be a tricky thing. They can go from toasty to frosty in a matter of minutes. By dressing in layers, you can adjust your outfit to suit your comfort level without a fuss. Last but not least, let's talk about compression socks. These gems are not just for the elderly. They help prevent swelling and improve blood flow, making them a must-have for long flights. When you dress strategically, your journey can be much more comfortable. Now, let's move on to tip number 2, preparing ways to pass the time. Long-haul flights can feel like an eternity, especially if you're not prepared. Having a variety of entertainment options at your disposal is key. Trust me, there's only so many times you can watch the same in-flight movie or flip through the airline magazine. Consider packing a good book or two, or downloading your favorite movies, podcasts, or even an intriguing new audiobook. If you're into puzzles or games, those can be great ways to keep your mind occupied too. Remember that in-flight Wi-Fi can be unreliable, so it's wise to download content ahead of time. And don't forget about your electronic device's battery life. They can drain faster than you think. Consider bringing a portable charger to avoid running out of juice mid-flight. With your entertainment sorted, time will fly as fast as your plane. Tip number 3 is a crucial one. Aim to get some sleep. Now, it may seem challenging to catch some Z's in a bustling plane, but trust me, it's a game changer. Sleep is not only a perfect way to pass the time, but it also helps combat jet lag and ensures you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. So, how do we make this happen? Consider packing a few sleep aids like a comfortable travel pillow, a soothing eye mask, and some noise-canceling earplugs. These little items can turn your airplane seat into a makeshift bed and make a world of difference. But here's a pro tip. Try adjusting your sleep schedule to match the time zone of your destination a few days before your flight. This can help your body adapt to the change more efficiently, reducing the impact of jet lag. A little sleep can go a long way in making your long-haul flight bearable. Next up, tip number 4. Pack a self-care kit. Now, this is where things get personal. Your self-care kit should include essentials that will keep you feeling refreshed and clean throughout the journey. Let's start with face wipes. They're a quick, convenient way to refresh your skin during the flight. Next, moisturizer. The air in the cabin can be very dry, which can leave your skin feeling parched. A good moisturizer can help combat this. Lip balm is another must-have. Just like your skin, your lips can get very dry in the cabin air. And don't forget hand sanitizer. You'll be touching a lot of surfaces, and it's important to keep those hands clean. Think of your self-care kit as your personal oasis in the air. It's a small way to maintain some comfort and normalcy during your long-haul flight. After all, who says you can't enjoy a little pampering at 35,000 feet? Remember, self-care is not a luxury. It's a necessity on a long-haul flight. Last but not least, tip number 5. Skip the alcohol and stay hydrated, and move around when you can. You might be tempted to have a drink or two to relax, but alcohol can actually dehydrate you, making your flight more uncomfortable in the long run. Instead, aim for water, a lot of it. You can even bring your own reusable water bottle to ensure you're always topped up. Now let's talk about movement. Sitting for extended periods can cause stiffness and poor circulation. So take a moment every now and then to stretch your legs. Walk up and down the aisle, do some in-seat stretches, or even a little yoga if space permits. It's all about keeping that blood flowing. Remember, long-haul flights are a marathon, not a sprint. So pace yourself. Staying hydrated and active is the key to surviving a long-haul flight.